Welcome! In this video, we'll walk you through how to verify the addresses of properties in ARGUS Enterprise to ensure they can sync with ARGUS Intelligence, allowing you to take full advantage of its features. Before your property models can appear in the platform, two things must happen. First, classifications must be applied, and second, property addresses must be verified. This video covers the second step, address verifications. Let's dive in. In the Asset Summary section, you can view each property model's address verification status. There are 3 status symbols for quick evaluation. An unverified property will appear as a blue circle with an exclamation point, which will show if the address details are complete, but the address hasn't been verified in the address search system. A yellow triangle with an exclamation point means one or more of the critical address fields are missing. Or a green tick, which means the address is complete and has been verified. The critical requirements for an address to be verified in the address search system is to contain address data in the first address line, city, country, and zip or postal code fields. Let's look at resolving unverified or incomplete addresses for existing assets. In the Asset Summary section, you can manage property addresses across all portfolios and scenarios, although it's good to note that this is a permissions-based capability that only some team members may be able to perform. You can use the filter options in the status column to help locate properties that are not labeled as a verified property address. You can also use the filter options on each address component to find blank fields. It is recommended to only use one filter at a time to ensure assets with missing information are found. Within the Asset Summary section, you can select a single property row and click Edit Address in the ribbon. Alternatively, you can right-click or use the shortcut key Ctrl-E to edit the address. Save any changes made by clicking OK. You also have the option to open the property directly from the Asset Summary by double-clicking on the property or clicking Open Property in the ribbon. From there, you can modify or update the address from the Property Location subtab and save. Remember to refresh the Asset Summary to reflect the changes that have been made. Multiple assets can share an address when the property is included in multiple portfolios or scenarios, usually for running best case, worst case, or sensitivity scenarios, maintaining rolling budget quarters, or keeping files for historical records. To bulk update these, highlight multiple rows by holding down the Control key and selecting all the desired assets that will be a part of the bulk update. Click Edit Address. When editing multiple addresses at once, ARGUS Enterprise will use the information from the active focus row, indicated by a darker blue color and an arrow next to the name. Save any changes made by clicking OK. When creating a new property from scratch within a portfolio, you will be prompted to add the address information on the setup screen. From an open portfolio, click the Add Property button. Ensure the Create Property from Scratch radio button is selected. Select a property asset type from the drop-down and then click Next. You can either start typing the address into the address field, which will try to resolve the address and verify it immediately, or you can click on the link Enter Address manually. For an address to be eligible to be marked as verified, the user must ensure that the country, address, city, and zip or postal code fields are completed. While the state and other fields are not required, it is recommended to fill in the New Property Asset tab with as many known details as possible. Click Finish to save. In order for assets to sync into ARGUS Intelligence, they must have a verified property address and classifications applied. If you haven't already, we recommend watching the video applying classifications in ARGUS Enterprise. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to your Altus Group customer service manager or support team for assistance.